This short video is designed to show you how to use the NALP Directory to research large law firms. The NALP Directory is a free resource that can be accessed at nalpdirectory.com. It contains information about the largest law firms in the country. Please note that some large law firms do not submit NALP forms and therefore are not included in the NALP Directory. In addition, information about most small and medium-sized firms is not contained in this particular resource. Please see the OCS website and/or speak with your advisor about the best way to research small and medium-sized firms and how to find information about large firms that may not be included in the NALP Directory. We'll cover 4 areas in this brief how-to. First, how to search for law firm offices that have hired 1L summer associates in the past. Second, how to search for law firm offices using geography as a filter. Third, an overview of the information contained in a NALP form. And last, a quick demonstration of the mail merge feature. Let's start by talking about a 1L recruiting search. There are several filters that you can use to narrow your searches. If you are a 1L student who is interested in learning which law firm offices have hired 1L summer associates in the past, you can filter by law firm and under organizations that hire, select 1Ls. For demonstration purposes, we will choose DC. As you conduct your searches, you will notice that there are far fewer 1L summer associate opportunities at large firms compared to 2L summer associate positions. Most 1L positions at large firms are diversity fellowship or scholarship positions, or are 1L intellectual property or IP positions, which typically are reserved for students with relevant undergraduate degrees, such as electrical engineering or mechanical engineering, for example. Please reach out to your OCS advisor if you have questions about 1L large law firm positions. When researching firms to prepare for 2L summer associate recruiting, many students will use geography as a filter. We will click on Start a New Search. We'll then choose law firm for employer type, and for demonstration purposes, we will choose Texas. Many firms will have separate entries or NALP forms for individual offices within the same firm. You can see that this is the case for Aiken Gump and for Baker Botts. Other firms may use multi-office forms, where information about more than one office is contained in the same form. The multi-office forms are denoted with a green M symbol. Now we will do a quick overview of the information contained in the NALP forms. We'll click on a law firm name to pull up a form. Let's choose Aiken Gump's Dallas office. The first tab that comes up is the Practice Areas tab. This lists the number of attorneys by job title that work in each of the office's practice areas. This information is particularly useful because it can help you to evaluate whether the law firm office has practice areas in which you may be interested, and can give you a sense of how robust the practice areas may be in this particular office. For example, the larger the number of attorneys within a particular practice, the more likely it is that the office will recruit students with interest in that particular practice area. The next tab covers basic information. Note that this page contains contact information for the office hiring partner or hiring attorney and the recruiting contact. This information can be helpful to have when you are drafting cover letters to apply directly to firms. Please note that the NALP forms typically are updated once a year, so it's important to double check the firm's website for any updated contact information. Also listed here are the other firm office locations and the number of attorneys within each of those offices at the time that the form was completed. The third tab contains attorney demographic information by job title. The fourth tab covers compensation and benefits information, including starting salary, summer associate salary, and bonus information. The Partnership and Advancement tab includes data on whether the firm has a 2-tier or multi-tier partnership scheme and can include additional information about the firm's partnership model. Next, we have the Recruitment and Hiring tab, which often is used by students. By clicking on the hiring grid, you can see the number of attorneys and summer associates that joined the firm by year, including a breakdown of 1L summer associates and 2L summer associates. Under the Summer Associate tab, you can also see how many summer associates received offers of permanent employment. In addition, this section of the NALP form also has information on the firm's hiring criteria, campus recruiting, and recruiting policies. The last 5 tabs of a NALP form include information about the office's hours and work arrangements, pro bono and public interest, diversity and inclusion, professional development, and the workplace environment. Now let's talk briefly about the mail merge feature. If you would like to download the names of the recruiting contacts and postal mailing addresses to be used to generate cover letters and mailing labels, you can simply place a check next to the firms of interest and hit the Mail Merge button. You will then enter your email address and the name of your list. Please note that NALP charges a fee for the Mail Merge function, and email addresses are not included in the Mail Merge lists. We hope that this tutorial will help you make the most of your NALP directory searches. The NALP directory is just one of several resources that you can use to research large firms. For more information, please see the How to Research Large Law Firms guide and video.